powerful scalping trading strategy for 5-minute time frame. This strategy will work better with order flow. In Ukraine, we call it knife caching. Soon you'll understand it. This strategy works really good when you have next criteria. First, it is key area, impulse, and big delta. Let's cover deeply each of this, and after that I will show my real trade examples. What is the key area? First, key area, it is a potent zone, it is some significant level, etc., where market quite often will make a reversal. It's area of liquidity. Second, big volume profile area. Let me show you an example. Let's cover this example on BTC. For example, key area of this key level, it is a key area. Like this previous high, it is a key area because you can see price did significant bounce. Another like this significant POC volume profile, center of volume profile, calls point of control. You can see another important level where price bounced. You can see this levels where price bounced. Quite often price bounce from key important levels or from significant volume. The next important part, it is impulse. What's impulse? By the way, share with me in the comments, do you know about key areas, how to build them, how to find them, and should I record additional lessons about it? Impulse, it is when price moves really fast, especially on a lower time frame. When, for example, coin moves like 4% per day, but you see 2.5% movement in only 5-minute candle. Why does it matter? Because this stuff often happens because of stop losses. This strategy based on order flow, because major idea is that someone got liquidated and after that we take a reversal trade, because major goal of a market is to go and take stop losses of retails. And by using this stuff, we can understand that stop losses is taken. How it works? Really simple. This stuff works really simple. You can see this local range. Quite a lot of people build short positions in the middle of this range. They build beautiful short positions. And when price go against them, what happens to their positions? Yes, part of them hit stop loss and part of them liquidated. And when price reach area where a lot of people at the same time stop loss is taken and liquidated, they just move for price really fast. That's why we call it cascade liquidation. How you can confirm that liquidation happened? Really simple, by using order flow, by using one simple indicator that calls delta. Why delta matters? Because you can see this BTC example, how price did a reversal after this significant delta. Because how it works really simple. Like imagine a situation like this situation, price ranging, and some people in this range buy BTC. Price go against them, and those people that build long position in the middle of this range, they are at loss. And those of them that don't close because price go against them, in many cases they have stop loss areas, and in some cases they have liquidations areas. And if price go far enough to take this area, those long buyers, they forced to sell their coins. And when they sell their coins, they even push price higher. That's why quite often you can see when price make a reversal after really significant spikes. Better to look on these spikes at 5-minute time frame. My friend, I know that it is important to put this knowledge together. That's why we prepared for you a special guide for every subscriber of this channel. You can get it. Link will be in the description. Just use it. Let's go to examples. First example, you saw this Bitcoin Cash. This example I will show to you beautiful, bad, and like average example to for you to see a variety how it can play out, for you to understand in what cases better to use. This one, it is really beautiful example. Why? Because first, what we have here, we have key area, important level. You can see this one, key area. Price reaches this key area, and guess what happened? Yes, on lower time frame, especially on 5-minute time frame, price did acceleration. How exactly I traded it? When I traded, I looked this time even on 1-minute time. What I did, I saw on 1-minute candle significant delta, 16,000 on 1-minute candle. It's quite a lot for Bitcoin Cash, and I waited for this higher high here, and when I saw again delta nearly 10,000 and price stopped, I took immediately short entry, and my stop loss in that case were really small, nearly 0.5%. It's pure scalping, order flow scalping. Here you can see on the screenshot, it is execution from my exchange, and you can see these two orders. And when price did this small movement, by nearly more than $1, I moved stop loss into break-even. You can see that my stop loss here were already in break-even. Have a look on this on bigger time frame, on 15 minutes time frame. you can see this entire combined delta, and you can see that here how this delta spiked so much, and it was 29,000. It's really a lot. And in this trade, we made $698. My volume here was 20,000. And here you can see we close the position. Here I close my trade. Mathematically, what it means, when my take profit were in 6 times more, I just close the trade and that's it. And honestly, it was a good decision because you can see, because this trade were against the trend, price did range, and after that continue movement up, and it was like perfect exit. What do you think about this example? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's cover this one. It was a Solana trade. As I told you, I would like to show you a variety, how it played out, good and bad. And another example for you when sometimes it won't be really beautiful. Have a look on this example on Solana. When price for start took my stop losses several times, and only after that I made money. First, we had as a key area, as you can see, price reached this sell zone. Second one, price here was one big mistake, that price didn't do acceleration. There were only important stuff. It is significant delta. Here we can see it on 5-minute time frame. What you can see, price reached that area and significant delta, 255. After that another delta, and after that 3 times significant delta appears. Like they came here, took my stop loss. After that I reopened. They took my second stop loss, and only on 3rd attempt I made money. As you can see, my first stop loss minus 257. Second stop loss were approximately the same, but take profit here were 1,183. Your major goal to keep your profits in several times bigger than losses, and even if your win rate isn't like big, you still will be in a profit. That's trading. My major goal is to show you a truth that you won't have, according any strategy, 100% win rate, and you need to understand how to manage your losses. Do you understand what risk reward that math expectancy? Let's cover third example, perfect entry, but really bad exit. It was really perfect entry. And once more, calculate 1, 2, 3. Key area, impulse, delta. Key area, impulse, delta. What we have? This area, is it key area? Of course it is a key area, because it is approximately nearly this high. It is a key area. Impulse. Guys, 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle, price moved nearly 7 or how much? 5-minute candle, and price moved up by 6.3%. Average movement of this coin nearly 4%. It's really a lot for it. And after that, price did this higher high where I took a trade. As you can see, it took approximately 20 minutes for this coin to drop and to give me my profit. You can see, we can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5th 5-minute candle, I closed first part, and here I closed second part. Honestly, in this trade, I did a mistake because I thought they would do a slow range, and after that there would be second movement up or down. And you can see this red stuff, red dot. It is the places where I added volume. Here I closed approximately 40%, and here I added some volume because I thought they would do a second movement. And honestly, I was mistaken here, and I closed my trade second part at break-even. And let's go to another, I would say, perfect example how it played out. I think at this moment you can see variety. Remember to subscribe to this channel, because templates to platforms where you can see delta, etc., you can get as a subscriber of this channel. Another final example, it is on Solana. This one, it is a perfect. Why this stuff is perfect? Because you have a key area. What I understood after trading this pattern for a lot. Key area way more important than delta. Why? Because that's how market works. That's it. Here, have a look on this example. Why this area were really beautiful for looking for reversal, especially in scalping. First, Solana rose by 30%. If you trade crypto quite long enough, you understand that quite big and large coins, when they move 30-40% in some direction, they in many cases they stop for a range, do significant reversal. Only when you trade some some altcoins that were listed a few days ago, only on those coins it's possible to see 50-100% movement. On Solana, on Ethereum, I didn't see Ethereum like 50% movement, and after that again 50% movement for like years. That's why this works really better for large coins. What we have after that here, it is a key area. This impulse, it was clear liquidation. Short sellers got liquidated. And when price take liquidity after liquidation, quite often they do significant pullback, like in most cases. And here, what we had, honestly, I waited when price would do higher high, but on ByBit they do, on Binance they didn't do, because here stop losses of all people that build short position here, their stop losses, I think it's obvious in this area. And how it works, when price accelerate and move really fast, people that build short positions here, they forced to get out. And because they get out, they buy back exactly into a top. How we can understand that they buy into a top? Yes, super simple, because of delta. Have a look, delta on Binance, Binance futures, 5-minute chart, 418,000 coins. Insanely big if you analyze Solana for a while. But on Binance, as you can see, they didn't do higher high. They were super close to higher high. On ByBit, from other side, on ByBit, delta were even bigger, 480,000, and ByBit did higher high. That's the reason why delta here bigger, because bigger stop losses were taken. How did I execute a trade? My entry was 24.63. Remember to subscribe to get a lot of such lessons in the future that will help you make money. My entry were exactly here, and honestly, in this case, I didn't wait while price do some higher high, etc. Because I saw significant delta in a proper area, and I just took a trade, and here my stop loss was approximately 1% in this area. And you can see that I did 1 to 5.6 risk to reward. And what did Solana after that? Solana did, it was a local reversal point when Solana dropped by nearly 14%, 14.9. That's why when you use these deltas at proper time and proper areas, your entries could be not only scalping, you can have scalping entry with super tiny stop loss and potential reward in many times bigger. At this moment, listen about this carefully. First, don't be greedy. When you take trades against a trend, you need to know in what cases you can take a trade bigger target, in what cases your target must be small. Targets against a trend should be smaller, especially if there was no significant liquidations. This stuff works really better when market in a significant wide range. In that cases, it would work really way better. And what should you do at this moment? Subscribe, remember about guides that I prepared for you, and watch this lesson about delta to understand how to use it properly and combine all of this stuff together to make money. See you in next videos.